Now we will solve one simple object. So this is the one view, that is front view and top view, which is given. Here it is the origin of this object. Here it is the origin. So we will draw the isometric view for this drawing. So let me start with this horizontal line, first procedure, then 30-degree inclined line to horizontal and 30-degree on this side inclined to horizontal. So this is the first procedure. So this is our origin, right? So basically if you assume this object, so it will be the L-shaped block. So in the front view it will look like this L shape, and in the top view this. So basically the length is 40, height of this object is 40, and width, so that will be visible from the top view, is also 40. And here it is one strip that height is 10 mm, and this strip has a height of width of 10 mm. So this is the dimensions of the object. So I will draw here line from here 40 degree. So height is from here to here, it is 40, so height is 40. So this length, okay. So with the roller scale, just draw parallel line this to this, having the length 10 mm. So 10 mm length, then remaining is this. So total is 40, this one is 10, so 30 height will be there, or you can also draw here 10 first, then remaining this is the 30, and just complete this. So here we have drawn this view, which will be visible from the front view, but in the top view we know that the width is 40. So from this side it will be visible like this also. So width is 40. So I will draw the line 40 here, this line guys, this from this to this. So this will be 40. So height is already we have taken from this point is 10. So again 40 mm, and this one is has been joined. So similarly from 40 line from each of this point, okay. So with the roller scale or drafter, you have to just draw the parallel line from this line on this point. So with this copy command or with the roller scale, if you are drawing on the sheet, just draw the parallel line from this projections, that line might be projections, then you can draw the line 40, then again parallel line from this to this 40. So again draw with your roller scale parallel this line to this line. So this is completed, but the object is not completed yet. So we know that from here to here height is 30, or here it is that line. So same with the roller scale, just draw the line which is parallel to this, and from here also you have to join. So with this line you can just draw the roller scale, draw the line with the roller scale from this point and join this, and this also you have to join. So simply by scale with the pencil you can just join this line, or with by taking the parallel line from this edge. So this way your object will be completed. After that you have to give the dimensions. So give the dimensions to the object. So height is 40, this one is So I need to give align dimensions like this. Actually I need to draw this straight in the sheet. Then this one is also 40, so give that 40. So this much is the 10 mm, and this height is 10. So in this way you have to draw the object. This is the very simple object. Now the same object, if I need to do some modification in this object, for example same object, if I add here one rib, so in the front view it will be visible like this, and your rib is here. For example 10 mm thickness width of that rib, so I will draw here. So center from here at a distance of 5. So this one thickness of the rib is like this. So your object is like this. So thickness is this 10. So if you need to draw the view like this, so what changes you have to do? The same object that you have to do. I am just going to copy this for your understanding. So here you have to show that rib. So at the center means what? Here it is 40 at the center, so 20. So from this side thickness of the rib is, width of the rib is 10 mm. So from this side of the center 5 mm on that side and 5 mm on that side. Okay, so you have to draw the length, and similarly you have to join this on this side. So here at the center, so your center point will be, let me copy this, you have to find out the center, so that will be here, and from here the center will be somewhere here on the 20, and on this side draw the line, this again on this side 5 mm, and on this side 5 mm. Similarly this on this side 5, and on this side 5. Basically I have done this only to find out this point here. Okay, but in the sheet you just find out the center and just mark the point 5 mm 5 mm on this side and on this side to the center. So these are the points where your ribs is there. So just join this point. So this one is the first point and this one is the second line that I have joined. So I will delete this unnecessary, so this required as, okay, let me delete this, no need for this. Okay, so but this object is not completed. Here there will be the line which is visible due to this rib. See this, due to this rib the line is visible. So draw exact vertical line parallel to this y-axis, and again draw one line which is parallel to this axis. So like this, and inside this portion which is not visible when there is a rib, so with the trim command I will delete this. So your object will be visible like this. Okay, So you can see now here the object, there are the isolines. This object consists of the isoline and non-isolines. So what is meant by isolines? The lines which are parallel to any one of the axes. So for example, this line is parallel to x axis, this line is parallel to y axis, or this line is parallel to z axis. So these lines are called as the isoline. But this line, if you see this is not the isoline, so these lines are called as the non-isoline. So in this object, basically these two lines are the non-isolines. So your object may consist of the isolines as well as non-isolines. So I hope you understood this very simple problem. So as of now we will stop, and in the next session we will see that we will try to solve the different problems.